Describe a popular or famous person in your country, who this person is, what he or she is like, why you think this person is popular, how this person influence the public.
I think a famous person can play important role in our lives, and everyone has a famous and celebrity person, and they try to follow this person. And today I would like to talk about one person who is really popular in our country, and I always try to follow this person, who is Sakib Al Hasan. He is great cricketer in our country. He is not only athlete but also he is a great politician in our country perspective, and he is 13 years old. He is left-handed batsman. When he play cricket, every young person of our country try to explore and try to notice his batting styles. And he has a huge experience in cricket because he not only play in our for our country, and he has a experience to play any other franchises like the IPL, Big Bash, and he try to contribute for our society. He set up one foundation. From this foundation he try to help any poor people in our country. And here I would like to share one story. One day while he was playing cricket, suddenly he heard a news. His wife was very sick, but he determined to continue his playing, and finally our team won against the India, and it was the great news for us. And I always wishes this person will play a very important role in our country and for our winning moment. And I wish our team will win 2020 World Cup in 2020.